In this video, I will share with you how to cancel your Hostinger subscription and get a refund. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to Billing. Make sure to select subscriptions, and from this page, you will see all the subscriptions on your account. As you see, I have this business web hosting plan with an enabled auto renewal. To cancel the subscription, just click on this little arrow and hit disable auto renewal. Make sure to click on this red button again, and auto renewal is off. Now this subscription will automatically expire when the expiration dates arrive. Now, how to get a refund from Hostinger? There are two ways. The first way is by contacting them directly at support@hostinger.com. What to say in your refund email? It's simple. Just ask ChatGPT to write me an email to ask for a refund from Hostinger. My product details are. To get your product details, just go back to your Hostinger account, go to payment history, and here you will see the payment information you want for your service. Let's click on this, copy this payment details like that, and paste them here. Now click on send, and you will get a customized refund email. Just copy it like that. Now open your inbox, click on Gmail, for example, click on compose, send your email to support@hostinger.com, and this is my subject, refund request for payment ID, this one. Hello customer. Copy the message like that, and make sure to read it to not send any mistake. Hello Hostinger support, I hope you are doing well. I am writing to request a refund for my recent purchase. Below are the details of the transaction: payment ID, service, period, amount paid. I would appreciate if I could process the refund to the original payment method used. Please confirm once the refund has been initiated, or if you need any additional information from my side. Thank you for assistance. Best regard. Then your name and your Hostinger email address. For example, ben@dotcom.builders. Now send them this email, and they will get back to you if they need any additional information. If not, they will request, or they will process your refund request. Now let's see the second way to ask for a refund from Hostinger. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Now let's see the second way to ask for a refund from Hostinger. This is a new method from Hostinger. It is manually, no chatting is required with Hostinger support. Just to go to this page, which is hpanel.hostinger.com/ or / paid-invoices. Unfortunately, you can't access this page by going to billing, for example. This page, the only way to access this page is by typing this link, which is paid dash invoices, each panel.hostinger.com / or / paid dash invoices. Here you will see the paid invoices in the last 30 days, and in my case I don't have one, so I don't see anything, but in your case you will see something like that. You will see the list. For example, here, as you see, we have 2 paid invoices in the last 30 days, and next to each one you have a refund button. After clicking the refund button, you will see this. You will be redirected to this page, confirm refundable services. You need to check this box next to I understand that all data stored in these services will be lost and cannot be recovered. After that, click on next, and you will be redirected to this page where you can select the refund payment method. You can get your refund in your Hostinger balance or to the original payment method. In this case, it's a PayPal. Click on original payment method, which I recommend. After that, you will see a payment. You will be redirected to this page where you can check the status of your refund request. As you see here, it is still refund requested, and when your refund is completed, you will receive the status here will change, and or I'm not sure, but you will receive an email like this one. Payment refunded. The payment refunded has been issued, and the number of days for the refund to appear in your bank statement, and the total refund amount. And this is how to get a refund from Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.